In this video, we're going to change the fraction 1/5 to a decimal, and then we're going to change that decimal to a percent. To change a fraction to a decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 1, the denominator is 5. The 5 slides over, it stays on the outside. The numerator 1 goes on the inside. 5 goes into 1, 0 times. Add a decimal, then I add a 0, and then I need to bring that decimal up to the top. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. When I subtract, I get 0, and there's nothing to bring down. So we found our decimal value to be 0.2. To change our decimal 0.2 to a percent, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 100. So I'm going to type in 0.2 times 100, and I get 20. The shortcut without a calculator is to move the decimal over 2 times. If I move the decimal over 2 times, there's this space created. You put a 0 in that place. And we get 20 and the decimal on the end. So 20.0, which is the same as just 20. And we don't want to forget to add that percent sign. We also want to remember that cent is the Latin root word meaning 100. So 20% means 20 per every 100, or 20 per every 100. So when I made this video, it was right after the election. So we could give an example of, I'm just going to make up a name. We could say that 20% represents that 20 out of every 100 people voted for Susie Smith. So that's what 20% means, 20 out of every 100. And I forgot to mention that this is a terminating decimal because it ends.